You know you want just.
Woo, woo, woo. Getting paid, yes. They know my name, I'm blessed. So guys, like I have a lash appointment today, and I also have to go to, guess what guys, I have to go to Best Buy to buy me a camera. So give me a round of applause for that in the comment section, please. But anyways, I was saying how I brought me a MacBook, and it was $1,700 at Best Buy. So then my friend told me about how like the students get $899. Well, I bought a MacBook Pro, but like, you know, they were saying how students get $899, like it's $899 and stuff. So I was like, hold on, I paid $1,700 for this MacBook, and I was like, $899, that means I could get a MacBook and I could buy my camera, like all into one. So, you know, nothing's really $899. You know, you gotta pay tax. So I paid $1,200, you know, tax, and then I also paid for a warranty and all that. So I paid that, and it also came with free AirPods. Like, I just bought my dad some AirPods, so I'm just gonna give these AirPods to my mom. It's like we all AirPod down in the household. But yes, like what was I saying? So yeah, so it's kind of hot. I'm about to turn the air back on, but I just wanted you guys to hear me for this little part. But like, y'all, so I have a lash appointment, so I'm getting my lashes done. Hopefully they look cute. Tell me if they look ugly, guys. But y'all be saying wear your natural lashes, and some people be like, I love you with the lashes on and all that. So like, you know what, make up your mind, people. But it's like, whatever, I'm gonna do what I want to do, period. But I love the lash look, so that's why I'm getting them. But this is my first time getting them like individual lashes, because I always wear strip lashes. No, I used to get like cluster lashes back when like the hair store, back when like the nail shop used to do them. They still do them, but that's back when it was in. Like, I used to always get, the cluster lash. It was cute, girl. I loved it. But now we on to the individual thing. So I was like, come on, let me go ahead and get it. And I'm learning to do individual lashes myself. So yeah, I know how to do the cluster ones like they used to do in the nail shop. Yeah, I know how to do them. But I'm gonna learn how to do the individual. I bought all the stuff to do it and stuff. So yeah. So anyways, I'm waiting on my girl to show up. The girl to show up at her appointment. I don't know. That's what I be saying about people. But she's here. But she should be on her way or whatever. Hopefully she does my lashes good. Because if she do, I'm going to keep coming to her. Because it's not really that far. But there's this other lash girl I want to try out. And she doing fire. So I'm going to have to check her out too. But she booked. Like, she was booked. And I'm like, dang, you get booked that fast. But they be getting booked fast. So I'm like, you know what? This is something I need to do. But I've been wanting to do it. But I just never do it. So anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna take somebody class though too as well, just to be, because I could do it, but I'm like slow, and I don't want to spend no, you know, it takes already hours, so I don't want to spend longer than that. But like I was saying, so I'm going to buy me a camera. I'm going to buy the Canon G7X because they said that's the best camera to use, and my friend had it and she was showing it to me, and it was like chill, cool, and I like to like I could see myself through the camera. And I also looked up, you know, this girl was explaining cameras, and she said this was a good camera, except it doesn't like focus on your face. You have to focus it yourself, which is fine. Like, you know, I was using my phone, and I'm perfectly fine with using my phone. But guess what, guys, this is my last day using my phone. But not really, because I'm still gonna use my phone because it's convenient. But I could use my camera as well, and now I can have my phone and all that in the camera. So anyways, like with this YouTube stuff, guys, give me the 7K on the road to 7K, well, road to 10K. And I'm dropping a bikini haul. I'm dropping a bikini haul probably in the next 2 days. If my video gets, if I get up to 10K subscribers, I'm dropping a video haul. I'm doing the lookbook, the back to school outfit ideas. I have so many outfits because I was packing up my clothes because I'm leaving. I'm going back to college, and I'm moving back into the apartments, and I'm gonna stay there literally this year, the whole year, because like I just feel like I should. And I'm also I'm talking too much, but guys, this is important facts. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the bikini haul. So get me to 10K 7K subscribers in the next 2 days, and I'll drop my bikini try on. It's gonna be lit because the girl bought new bikinis, and I also brought lingerie because I know you guys are looking for a lingerie try on. And I see so many girls do it on YouTube, so I'm gonna do it because that's like what my channel focuses on, like fashion, beauty, and all that. So I'm gonna do a lingerie haul. So if you guys want a bikini haul and a lingerie haul, you know what you gotta do. You gotta hit that subscribe button, okay, people? And you gotta make people hit the subscribe button. So anyways, the road from the word for this video, if you watched it all the way to the end, wait on it. But hashtag, it's gonna be hashtag 10K, road to 10K. So yeah, so comment that if you watched the video to this point. So road to 10K, okay? And yeah, so I'm gonna get back in the camera when I'm at Best Buy eating, or after I get my lash done. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my Mac computer finally came in, and my AirPods came in, so I have to do that unboxing too. So I ordered it from Apple. So story why I opened this box. I'll show you guys. Story time while I opened this box. So I bought a Mac computer from Best Buy, guys. I bought it for $1,700. So then I was talking to one of my friends, and she was like, she got a computer from $899 because, you know, students get their computer for $899. If you didn't know that, I could leave the link. So just watch full video at the end. I'll let you know. And yeah, so I was like, oh, okay, I want this computer. Like, I want this computer, the $899, when I paid $799 for my computer. And I'm like, $899, like, now I can get my camera if I get this one and return my $1,700 one. So, you know, nothing's really $899. You gotta add tax, you gotta add your warranty and all type of stuff like that. So let's just leave this right there. So you gotta add all that type of stuff. So I finally so the total was like $1,200, but like, guys, that's just $500 that I could put towards my camera, which I'm going to buy. I should order it now. Look, guys, MacBook Air. So yeah, so I got the rose gold color. I should have got my name embroidered on it, because also you could have got your name embroidered on it or whatever you wanted on your computer for free, but I didn't do it. I was rushing. I don't know why I'm always rushing when it comes down to doing stuff. So yeah, so I'll show you guys. It's raining, but I got this. So yeah, so that's what I was saying. I would save get the rest on my computer. So this is my MacBook unboxing. So guys, but the one I bought for $1,700 was the MacBook Pro, and what I about to say, the MacBook Pro, and I personally, the lady said it doesn't even matter. I don't even think she knew what she was talking about, because she could have just told me about the $899, but she didn't. She made me spend all my coins on that. But luckily my sister came and told me about, no, my friend and then my sister confirmed, and it's like, yeah, it comes with like free AirPods, which I already have AirPods. And like I said in my last video, I just bought my dad some AirPods for his birthday. So it was like, now I'm just gonna give the other AirPods to my mom, so my whole family gonna be AirPod me down, okay? So look, I'm taking off the wrapping. It looks so light. I don't know where they would have embroidered your name, probably like here or something, or whatever you wanted on there. But yeah, let's open it. Okay, so it comes with this on it. Oh, it's turning on already. Oh, you just peel it off. So this is what it looks like. It's doing its thing or whatever. Let's see how cute it looks. Let me take my rings off because I feel like I'm scratching it or something. So I'm pretty sure this is like the charger, I'm guessing. And then it came with, I guess it's like instruction manual. And like, you know how everything comes with instructions. So yeah, and then this came with,
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
You heard that? And this is the box, and you just put this piece right there. So guys, so I gotta go look on my phone for my AirPod, my Wi-Fi password. So I think this is gonna go on the one when I was talking about what I was getting. So yeah, so anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you watch the video all the way to the end, comment hashtag MacBook, okay? MacBook, okay? Or just MacBook. You don't have to put the hashtag, but comment it, because I had something before that video, so I know if you watch this part, you have the second part, because people be trying to trick me. But no, watch to the second part, people. Love you guys. Dropping a new video tomorrow maybe, or tonight. But I feel like my videos do better when I drop them at like 3 p.m. I don't know, like all my videos do good when I drop at that time. But I feel like I need a new drop time, y'all. Leave me a good drop time that everyone's like, people say this is the best drop time or whatever. Let me know what you guys think. But let me set up my MacBook. So anyways, bye. Love you guys. So guys, I know I was supposed to vlog me eating, vlog me going to Best Buy, so I did all those things, but I didn't buy the camera because like I'm not sure, like they had so many to buy, and I know I wanted the Canon G7X, but I don't know, they had buku Canons G7 and all that, and I'm just was so confused. And so like I'm thinking about buying the one that's the Canon G7X off Amazon. They have some used ones, but I think I'm gonna buy the one off Amazon that's, you know, new, and it's like $650, but it comes with buku, like a bundle with it, even though it's like, you know, it's like all brand stuff, but I feel like I could still use those things, like the tripods, the batteries, the thing you plug into the computer to read through for your MacBook and stuff. So I feel like I could still use those things, so I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and buy that one. And I looked at a lot of people reviews, and like they had some good reviews on it. Amazon always has mixed reviews, but like YouTube had, like, when I looked up the Canon G7X, it was the Canons that they bought from Amazon, the bundle deal, and they left the link. And, you know, they're selling out pretty fast, so I think I'm just going to buy that one because it seems like a good, even though the camera's literally the same, I'm thinking I'm gonna buy that one because I don't want to buy everything separately because I don't have time for it. That's annoying. Like, I hate going to the store and buy stuff. I'm really like an online shopper unless I'm going out. But, you know, I'm not sure what's the best idea is. That's why I told my friends to let me know. But I feel like that's fine because if I don't like it, I can just return it from Amazon. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it because I just want anything other than my phone, you know. So because I like to be on my phone, and I don't like have to record on my phone that much, even though I'm still gonna record on my phone just for like those tiny sessions. But yeah, my MacBook is on the way, so I'm ready to open a box. What is it, how do you say it, unboxing. So unboxing, yeah, I'm so ready to do that. And the AirPods that I was gonna give to my mom, but I'm still gonna do it for my unboxing even though I have some. But yeah, but I'm laying down. I have a bad day today. Like, I don't know why my day is so bad, but yeah. So stay tuned for me whenever I order the camera, and whenever my MacBook shows, I might put it in this video because this video is gonna be sitting in my phone for a while unless I need content up. But I kind of need content up, so I might get up and film a bikini haul, but that's only when I hit 7K when I'm gonna drop the bikini haul. I also have a lingerie haul I'm gonna drop maybe when I hit like 8K. So yeah, so some cute lingerie. So if you love the bodysuit hauls, which that was my most of the videos, I know you're gonna love the lingerie hauls, but I'm gonna try to keep it cute because I don't want to get yellow marked in my videos. So yeah, yellow mark is really aggravating and I don't have time for it. Okay, yeah, bye bye. Switch.